Hello everyone, and in this video we will learn how to change any color in the video in Adobe Premiere Pro. For this it's best to use a frame with a pronounced color. I have this vivid orange color. Go to the Effects panel and search for Lumetri Color Effect. Drag it to the clip on timeline and go to the HSL secondary option and click on Eyedropper Set Color and click on the middle of the head. Click on Add Color Eyedropper and select the darkest part of the head. Now select Show Mask option and choose White Black. Now we need that our head was pure white. For this we need to make our sliders wider. Drag them to the maximum. On our picture the head becomes more white. And we need to edit every option. And we can see that the top of our head is gray and not white. Take Add Color Eyedropper and select top of the head. And one more time on the areas that are not white. When our head becomes pure white, we uncheck Show Mask. And let's go down to the correction option. And we can change head's color by temperature, tint, contrast, saturation and color wheel. For example, add temperature, remove saturation, and multi-correction slider move down. The color of our head has changed. You can change color whatever you want. And that's all. Thank you for your attention, subscribe to the channel and have a nice day.